Hey guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. Yes, I'm back in the house. I had to make a quick run to drop Aaliyah off to school. We both woke up late, so she missed her bus. That's Chanel. I hope she don't have the. Do you guys hear that? Now she. You okay, baby? Are you okay? That's not no Roni Roni. That's not no Roni Roni. Well, guys, yeah, I just got back in the house from walking, not from walking, from dropping Aaliyah off to school. Um, from dropping Aaliyah off to school, and I'm back at the house because I'm expecting a delivery today. Yes, yes, I'm expecting a delivery today. Well, anyway, guys, let's jump into this video, okay? Let's get it. Okay, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. As I told you before, I just got back in the house from dropping Aaliyah off to school. Let's let some natural sunlight into this space. In this apartment, in my living room, we don't have ceiling fixtures, so we get the natural lighting. I have some lamps in here, which I'm going to get rid of. And I'm going to order me some different type of lamps because I had these for a while, about 3-4 years now, and they just don't fit into the decor. I just use them for now, just to have, but I'm about to take them out of this space. I'm expecting a delivery today, so I'm waiting for the guys or women or whoever's the delivery people to come. Expecting that delivery from Rooms to Go, where I got my sofa from. What happened was when they delivered it, it had a boo-boo. It looked as if one of the delivery guys may have pricked their finger and it left a little blood stain there. So that's at the head. And then at the foot, it had like a scuff mark. Let me show you guys. See, it had that scuff mark there on the end. And I don't even know if you can really make out the stain that it had up here. I tried to like clean it a little bit with the cleaner that they provided, but it's there anyway. And after waiting 4 months and paying my coin, I don't want to see that scuff there. I don't want that. So I put in a claim and they had made arrangements to come out today, August 11th. I made the claim when I got the delivery. I believe that was beginning of July. So it didn't take that long to get the replacement to come in. Anyway, guys, I know that you've seen her. Yes, I finally, after months of looking, found this beautiful rug. Yes, I'm so excited to have the rug in the space. It has different texture and different color variations of grays, and I see a little tan in there as well, as you can see. So it's all neutral. When I'm decorating a room, I tend to purchase things that are neutral, which will be a black, a cream, a brown, a gray, just neutral tones for the bigger pieces. And for my rug as well, I kept it in the neutral tones as well. This rug I purchased from Home Goods. Home Goods, yes, and it is a 7.6 by 10, I believe. 7.6 by 10. If I can find it, I'll put it in the link. I don't know if they sell it anywhere else, or you could check your local home goods store in your area and see if they may have something like this. But I just lucked up on this. I'm always in home goods. I've been looking for a while. I'm going to share some of the other rugs that I came across also in this video, so you guys can see my different choices and the rugs that I did come across during the time I was looking. But I am so satisfied. I'm telling you guys, I am so satisfied. Look at that from this angle. Oh my God, from this angle, I'm just satisfied. I'm all giddy inside like a little kid. Look, and it goes so beautiful with the sofa. Look at there. Look at there. Yes. And guys, I need to find something to do with this wall, or a painting or some type of artwork on this wall to bring in colors. I am going to throw some of my Moments by Noma's pillows on my chair. Yes. I'm going to arrange the plants in this area as well. As I told you before, these two lamps, I'm going to get rid of, give them away or whatever. But they have to go, or I'll put them in my storage for, maybe they'll fit into my next space. Anyhow, I'm going to change out this sideboard, which I have my TV on now. I'm going to hang the TV up on the wall. And I'm going to get a credenza that goes from here to here, hang the television on the wall. I am still not sure if I want to put curtains up here on this window and this window, or if I just want to leave it like this. I really love just looking out and enjoying the daylight coming in just naturally open. It looks so beautiful, and especially from the kitchen, I could just look straight through, which I love. I love. Yep, so right here, this is the space. It flows into the kitchen. Yes, look at my baby up there. Oh, look at my baby. So beautiful. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to make me some tea. We're going to wait for the delivery guys. And when they come, I'm going to see if I can get some footage, okay? So let's see how it turns out. You like, guys, so that is it. They are here, the rooms to go. They took that one piece out. Yep, so they took it out, and now you could really see the rug. Yes, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. I'm telling you, it's so much. It's beautiful in person. Yes. Here's the next piece coming in. Huh?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a good day. More better.
Thank you. Look. Yeah, because the last guy, I think he might have cut his hands. And when he went to move it, it got the blood. And then on the corner, it was
really?
scuffed up down here on the corner.
Make a picture.
Yeah. Look. So the new piece is here. Isn't she a beauty? Yes. Yes. Do I need to sign anything?
Yes.
Okay.
One more question, you're done. Thank you for calling me. It's
Oh yeah, because
Yes.
y'all would have been walking down that long hall. I was
Yeah.
like, hold up. I'm like, hello, rooms to go.
what the customer have is very easy. Thank you.
No,
You have a nice day.
you too. Do I press that?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you. You as well, sir.
Oh.
Y'all be safe. Okay, guys. So, oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite gift. Yes,
Okay,
it's so
guys.
beautiful. I'm going to end this video here. Thank you for watching Behind Closed Doors. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Can see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the